Alright, did I tell you that was part A? Still got part B to come. So welcome back, all you Hot Wheel lovers. Got a lot of blue cards, whole box full of them. So let's get started on part B. Got the canopy opens is what it says. Canopy opens on the Speed Machine Street Eaters. Okay. So we got a Hot Wheels Premier Collector's model. Sizzlers, 1996 first edition. Kind of heavy too. There's some metal in it. Yeah, it does. Okay, here. We have a Skull Rider. Don't really see a skull, but I guess that looks like a skull. Yeah, you can say that looks like a skull right there. Skull Riders. Don't look bad. We got the slide out. I guess that slides out of the back, I don't know. But this slide out anyway. And we got a Road Rocket. Road Rocket. Okay. Arm lifts and lowers. Got a Flame Stopper 2. Workable extension ladder or boom fire truck. Okay, we got a little different one here. It's a Nissan 300ZX. It don't look bad. Man, it's heavy too. Man, these old cars, heavy cars. And we got another one of those Flying Aces dog fighters. It's weird, isn't it? Huh. Then we got movable skis. Just take the skis off. Dark Rider Series, Big Chill. Not a real big fan. Alright, come on now. Let's see. And we got another Twin Mill 2. Twin Mill, baby. Hot Wheels loves those twin mills. And we got another guitar car. Twain thing. We've got a Hot Wheels here. Olds Aurora GTS 1. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool there. I do like it. Oh, we got a little go-kart. Look at that thing. What's it called? Go-kart. Alright. Then we got a Bugging Out Series Radar Ranger. Huh. Look at that thing. Kind of weird. That thing is heavy. Whoa. Alright, come on now, cars. Oh, we got an old car here. 1936 Cord. What is a 1936 Cord? I will have to look that one up because I don't know. cord. Any of y'all know what a cord is? That's it. And what's this? 2001st editions. Art Cadnorod. Oh, it's a spider. Yeah, not a fan of the spiders. Right here, got a speed blaster. It's not too bad. 92-cent Walmart. Okay. We got an Auburn 852. Not too bad, I guess. Off-Road Attitude Hummer Race Team Series 3. I don't like anything that's got the Hot Wheels emblems on it. Fast on the Track. The Blizzard. I think we had something like this on the other one. Aero Flash. Heavy too. Got a Harbor Patrol. Hydroplane. Not a big fan on the boats. And we have another Tall Rider. Rocky Mountain Rescue. Ranger. Okay. And we got a Shock Factor. 92-cent at Walmart. Not a fan. Dodge Power Wagon. Kind of ugly in it. But oh man, we got a Oshkosh cement truck. Man, check that out, baby. Cement. Let's pour some cement. And we got a wheel loader. Got to move the cement, I guess. Pretty nice. And our last one for part B is another Speed Blaster, Raceway Blues. Okay. That's our little video for part B. Appreciate you watching. Check out all the other videos. If you want to see 4-scale racing, please like and subscribe, and we'll be back with part C. See ya.